colours of Litre Total Parks Pro. Today we have 2013 Toyota 86, stock number 7070. It's ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It's an FA20 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is an FA20 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand door mirror. Left front door has fold on the edge. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch aftermarket wheel tyre. Right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 19-inch aftermarket wheel tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.